Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Can-Am Maverick X3 Max Turbo RR Top Dog right here. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on it. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. We're going to start right on the front of the machine. Now you're going to see rock lights scattered throughout the entire machine. There's 16 in total on this machine. You'll get a glance at them as we would do the walk around on the machine. But right up front, we've got that nice light bar tucked up nice and tight. Everybody loves this light bar on here. You're not getting any glare off that windshield from a light bar overhead. You do have the all glass USA windshield here with the louver on the bottom. We love the USA glass windshields, getting you some airflow inside the cab. Also, we've installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. You can see this signature lighting right here comes with the Street Legal kit from Ryco. We're going to go down with the switch. You're going to see the indicator arrow up integrated into the dash. Oh yeah, there's that turn signal. Very nice signature swoop, and it ties into the back as well. Utilizing all of those bright LEDs in the back. And you've got your license plate mounting hardware as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. The Ryco kit also has the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that lever and all four corners will illuminate. And the Sector 7s. If you know anything about lighting and you know anything about mirrors, you know Sector 7 is at the top of the list. We love Sector 7 lighting. Got your switch on the inside there. Those babies are bright. The cool thing about Sector 7 is you're getting a lot of forward light as well as a lot of side light to illuminate your nighttime visibility. For you duners, you're gonna love those. Trail riders, you're gonna love them too. On the inside of the vehicle, you see that subwoofer underneath the seat. That's going along with the MB Court system. Speakers throughout the machine. Sound system sounds incredible. The bass has got a good volume to it as well. And you can see those pod lights on the inside as well. Very nice, very nice. We've also got the center bag, the overhead bag, Can-Am mirror. And in the back, there's more pod lights scattered throughout as well. And the center bag, back window from Can-Am, more speakers from MB Court, R1 lighted whips. The pod light kit is also from R1, tucked in everywhere. All of the pods as well as the whips are Bluetooth. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We got 32's on there as well. Post up in the comments below if you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, or did we forget something? Post that up as well. Have a great day, everybody.